Bakers, are you ready? Welcome to Delicious Bake Club. I'm Warren Mendez, and if this wasn't a bit of a giveaway, we are going to be making carrot cake today. We're going to be taking the delicious carrot cake baking box, and I'm going to show you how to top it with some candied walnuts. If it doesn't look like the front cover of the box, you've probably done something wrong. So we've got the carrot cake and icing base done from the baking box, but now I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level. Got some walnuts toasted, and then they're going to go on the tray ready to go. I've got the pan here and some caster sugar. Okay, so we're going to swirl the pan around for about 5 to 6 minutes until we get a beautiful dark caramel forming around the edges in the center. And then be careful because that is piping hot. If you need, you can give everything a bit of a swirl around. So just set that aside and allow it to cool completely. Don't put it in the fridge, there's no need. At room temperature, those nuts are going to be beautiful and coated in no time. And so because this is completely cooled now, you'll see that the caramel is nice and hard in one big piece. And now we'll just chop it up, but as large or as small as you want it. And then as little as much as you want, you can put on those final jewels. Look at that. That is a good cake to icing ratio. Do you want some?